Good morning, and welcome to Gray Man Sleigh Riding. Today is day 51, I believe. Virginia sent me a little welcome home present, just a couple inches. But I stayed warm and dry last night. Got about 18 miles or so to go today. Gonna cross 500 miles real quickly. Not sure we'll be able to see any sign on the trail though. Stayed at Thomas Snob Shelter area last night. Whole bunch of people here. I'm cold. It's time to walk. Sun's out over there. When the sun comes out here, starts melting all this snow, it'll be a rainy, drippy mess. You can see there's plenty of tracks, plenty of hikers this morning heading north. I just hope they all know where they're going, because you can't see any blazes or really anything on the trail. These limbs are all weighed down and hanging in the trail. It's like a little obstacle course. But you know, it's kind of neat. It's kind of like a little adventure. Missing my canes about right now, I can tell you that. It's pretty cool. I have a better chance of fitting now than I did when I started. Boo! Not the greatest photography, but that was the squeeze. Wind. Well, another day on AT's come to an end. It was a good day. I did 18 miles. Started out in the snow. And glad that other hikers led the way, because it'd have been hard. You'd have been the first one out there trying to find the trail. Ran into OG. That was the highlight of the day. Beth and I really enjoyed watching him last year. I didn't recognize him at first. He's kind of covered up, but when he told me who his name was, I knew exactly who it was. Anyway, after that was Tight Man Squeeze, Grayson Highlands. Saw several of the ponies. The snow was pretty. It was like a winter wonderland. And then a lot of it melted, and the lower I got, of course, the less there was. Only downside for the day was so many of these trails are just running full of water. I don't know if the trail clubs maybe can't do too much in the Grayson Highlands State Park, or even the Mount Rogers National Monument. Maybe they got some more regulations or something, but I didn't see many water bars. When I got back down here out of everything, there was some, so I don't know. It makes me wonder. Like I like to say, I just report what I see. And there was a lot of rock hopping today, trying to keep the feet somewhat dry, and it didn't work. I'm not putting not putting the tarp on tonight. The air is dry. Maybe I'll see some stars here in a little bit. I got let's see if there's anything else. Like I say, it was a full day, and we got about 17.7 into our to get picked up from Marion. So I'm going to go there tomorrow. I've got a resupply. I'm going to do my laundry and figure out what the next stretch is. I might try to do that tonight, if I can keep awake, that is. All right. As always, I appreciate you all. I appreciate your comments. I enjoy reading them. And everyone's support means a lot, so thank you. And good night for now. We'll do it again tomorrow.